How about Timor Cock? And do you know that's a country that's very cold that only 80,000 people will go to the country. That is Canada. First, about Canada, I will talk about where is Canada. Canada is a country in North America that touches the ocean with an area of 3.855.103 square miles and 9.984.670 square kilometers. It stretches from the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the Pacific Ocean in the west. Canada also reaches north to the coast of the ocean. It's no wonder as Canada's coastal is on the sea from sea to sea. Fun fact: Canada's coastline miles and 3.042 kilometers long. That's more coastline than any other country in the world. Oh, so Canada is the coastline longest in the world. The next we got was Canada's the land. Canada's landscape varies greatly from coast to coast. In the East Rocky shoreline gives the way to rolling hills, farmlands, and springlands across lowlands in the southeast. The Canadian Shelf covers much of eastern and central Canada. There, a thin layer of sulfur lies on the top of a thick layer of rock. Area has mountains and forests and many clear. Canada has Canada is famous for its wildlife. The country's forests give shelter to elk, moose, wolves and foxes, grizzly bears, and crocodiles herd to mountains sloths, bighorn sheep. They roam to mountain peaks. Yes. Furthermore, we have how do students go to school in Canada. Canadians start school when they are 5 years old. In grade school, they study reading, math, science, and local studies. Students take art class, learn how to use computer, and go field trip. Uh, After eighth grade, students go high school. They choose classes that will get them ready to universities or job. In the province of Quebec, classes are taught in both French and English. Finally, is about conclusion. Conclusion about Canada. Official name Canada. Area 3.855.103 square miles and 9.984.670 square kilometers. Earth, the second largest country in the world. Capital city Ottawa. Population 40.1 million people. Thank you for listening and goodbye.